Magpie Makes, and today I'm going to show you some of the basic stitches that we use in our sewing tutorials. The things you're going to need for a sewing project are an embroidery needle, some embroidery thread and a pair of scissors. First thing to do is take our embroidery needle, be a bit careful because they are pretty sharp, and we take our piece of thread and we're going to squeeze the end really tightly so that it fits through the eye of the needle. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, and if you really find it difficult, you can actually buy needle threaders, which will help you. Pull the thread through and let it hang about halfway down, and then the last thing you need to do is make a knot at the end. And an easy way of doing this is make a little loop and just poke the end of the thread through the middle of that loop and just do a very basic knot as near to the end as you can. And there you have it. You're ready to start sewing. The first stitch I'm going to show you is a running stitch. Take our needle and thread and our fabric, and we're going to start coming up from the back. Bring our needle through the fabric, making sure the knot is on the back. Then we're going to take our needle and bring it down from top to bottom through the fabric and make our first stitch. Next, we're going to bring our needle up from the back of the fabric and we're going to make the next stitch, and we bring it back down top to bottom. There we go, working all the way through the fabric, just working out where the needle needs to go from the back and then down again. When you've finished, you always need to tie a knot on the back, and an easy way of doing this is to use our needle, go in and out, make a teeny tiny stitch in and out, bring the thread through, and before we pull it all the way through, put your needle through that little loop and pull it tight, and there you have it. Always leave a little bit of thread so that it doesn't come undone, and then you have it, your basic running stitch.